Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make Black Russian and let's see the ingredients first. This is very simple one and then anybody can make it. Anyway, so I'm gonna follow the recipe now. I'm gonna put 1.5 ounce vodka, exactly 1.5 ounce in here. So I put some vodka in here, 1 ounce, like 30 ml Kahlua in here. Exactly 1 ml in here now. Great. 3 ounce. Before you drink this drink, just you need to stir it for proper mixing. Great. And just like drink it. Your cocktail is ready. Black Russian. Cheers. Great.